No problem. I think I can see your screen now. It's fine. It's fair. It's okay. So that's your virtual
Okay.
machine.
Okay, so this is my virtual machine. So what I did was I used I think initially I used the East region, East US to create my virtual machine. And okay. But where I had issues was was for the what was it called? For the Windows, selecting the OS. I tried selecting Windows 11, but I couldn't get it. It was, I think it was giving me three, was it three something?
Okay.
320. Yeah. So I now told, that was when I think Benga sent you a message because I was the one that reached out to him. This is what I'm experiencing. So so there was where I clicked again. Then I didn't go with that one since I couldn't get a cheaper, what is it called? Um, cheaper one. So I think I clicked on one of the Windows server. So the
Okay.
Windows server was giving me, that was before you dropped the video. I had already done this before you dropped the video.
Okay.
So when I clicked on the Windows server, it gave me a rate of 0.33 per hour.
Oh, that's great.
So since that was the cheapest, yes, since that was the cheapest, I had to go with it.
Use that. Okay. And
Yes.
also, can I see your virtual network? So click on networking on that page. That's your page. Networking.
Yeah,
Network.
right.
Just scroll up. Scroll up.
Oh, okay,
No, not virtual net. Just go back. Go
okay, let
back a
me go
step.
back.
Yeah. Click on networking. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Expand it. Just click on that. You see where you have compute infrastructure virtual machine. You see two arrows by this side on the left. On the left, not that one. Compute infrastructure virtual machine. On the left, on the left. Top left.
Top left.
Yeah.
Okay.
Scroll to the left a little. Scroll to the left a little. Scroll to the left a little. You see that two arrows? Click on it. Okay, good. Let's look at the resources. Let's look at the resources you created and the virtual machine. You have your network interface, fine. You have your NSG, correct. You have your virtual network, and you have your subnet. Thank you very much. Click on that place where you have virtual network subnet. Click on the virtual network.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So here.
Yes, just click on it. Yeah. I want to see your virtual network and your subnets. Okay, you created one subnet. That's fine. That's a very good mark for you, at least. As in, I'm really impressed. Let me see your, click on the address space under settings.
Okay.
Click on the address space. Okay, okay, it is 172.16.0.0. That's great, and that's fair enough. That's very good, that's excellent. I'm very, very good and impressed on that. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thanks for that. Next person who wants to present next.